Welcome to another breakdown trade for the Euro USD. The trade that I took on Friday, 19th of April 2024, اليوم Saturday. So I will do replay or playback how I did my analysis and how I took this trade. So let me remove that drawings, do a little bit of recap, and let's see. First, let me do a replay. Go back. Okay. So we go back to the on DXY لأنه نحن نعرف the major index اللي هو US dollar or DXY, and accordingly our trade will be the total or the inverse of DXY. So if DXY is bullish, our trade in euro or euro will be bearish. So in our previous trades and our previous video, we saw that DXY is bullish and it was targeting this daily volume imbalance. After we reached this volume imbalance, we reacted and we pushed down to this fair value gap. We have another fair value gap here. So let's go to the 4 hour. We see after we pushed again, after we hit this volume imbalance, it went down. So inside this 4 hour, inside this daily fair value gap, there is another 4 hour fair value gap, which makes it a stronger gap. So this is no. So this is what was until Thursday. So let's start Friday and see how our trade will be. Let me go to the 15 minutes. Okay, first let me mark London session because all my trades are in London session or New York session. I don't trade in Asia session. Perfect. This is London open. It's 11 a.m. Dubai time zone. Okay, play. Okay, so before London open, if you see, there is still 15 minutes. There was an impulsive move to the downside, and there is break of structure, multiple break of structures. We have this one here. We closed, yeah, one here, and but of course because this is during Asia, so I cannot take any trade. And we have this break of structure. So if the price continues to go downside during London, my entry will be, let me take one step forward and see what will happen. Yeah, so this is London open, so we closed below, and which is a valid break of structure. So my entry will be in this fair value gap, so to guarantee my entry. And because again on Friday I don't take much trades, and if I take, I will take a small risk to reward ratio to avoid any trade during the weekend. So if you can see, we have a volume imbalance, a small volume imbalance here, which is inside an order block, which makes sense that the price will reach there. And of course we have a lot of liquidity here, and in a higher time frame we have more liquidity. But again, since Friday, let's make a quick and small trade. Let's see. We just tapped in, and then we pushed lower. We have multiple entry, so if anyone missed that trade, we have the entry still valid. and we should reach our target. Yes, we did. Let me stop the replay. And this, as you can see, we reached this order block and we hit the volume imbalance, and then we pushed to the upside. Now I think till next week, so still this retracement will continue to push lower. So we just pushed up and we hit again this order block here, small order block, and I think the next week we'll continue to take the liquidity here. Yeah, and we have a lot of fair value gaps in this area as well. So that's it. So again, this is the trade on the Euro USD. So كل شيء نحن عم نعمله is should be the totally opposite on Euro. So our trade should be long. It's the same, everything is the same. So if you can see here, we have this break of structure, but it was during London, during Asia, and this is London. So our trade was during London session. I hope you enjoy. Thanks.